Hi, I'm Jennifer Matranga, Project Manager for Oscar Renda Contracting, and I'd like to give an update report on the status of the North contract. But before I do, I'd like to take a minute to say thank you to the incredibly hardworking men and women on our team. They have worked long hours in some extremely rough and sometimes dangerous situations and have done so safely. I couldn't be more proud of them. We now have a small portion of only one street lacking base course of asphalt, and that is Forest Avenue from Keesler Gate to DeSoto. And by the time this video airs, it will be complete. We are also doing sidewalk and restoration work on Forest. We're on Benaki today, and the base course of asphalt is complete. It is also complete on Cuevas. We will be coming behind with restoration work and sidewalks on Benaki. The final utility on the project is at the sewer lift station on Kyvet, and it's being installed now. This work is off-road and will not affect any residents. The rehab of the lift station will be completed in January. We have crews in all areas working on landscaping, fencing, and cleanup. Surface course of asphalt is being completed on numerous streets throughout the project. Final punch-out items in all phases of the project are in progress. As always, thank you for your continued patience and support, and the Oscar Renda team wishes you a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Jack Graubick. I'm the Assistant Project Manager for Hemphill Construction on the Biloxi South contract, and I'm here to give you an update on the progress of our work. One of our pipe crews is laying storm drain between St. Jude and Keesler Circle in the easement area. Another one of our pipe crews is laying sewer line on Keesler Circle. Another one of our crews is installing sewer services throughout the project. We have another crew that is cleaning up, and a fifth crew on Howard Avenue installing the road base. As for our subcontractors, we currently have Warren paving Caldwell, Morrison, and Father Ryan from Caldwell to White Avenue. We have our concrete crews working throughout the project, installing driveways, sidewalks, and curbs. We would like to remind everyone to continue being safe in our construction zones and keeping our employees' safety in mind while in that area. We would also like to wish everyone a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Good morning, Biloxi. I'm Stephen Dunlap with Blank Construction Company of Mississippi, updating you on the SXSS project south of the tracks. One of the challenges of this project is locating all the unknown valves and water supplies coming from all directions. We've still got the temporary force main in place and operational. We expect to start digging after Christmas, and on behalf of all Lane Construction, we'd like to wish y'all Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.